Now, interest. Simple interest, compound interest. Two types of interest models. We know what is an interest. Interest is the extra money given for the deposit of certain amount of money in banks, post offices, or such financial institutions. The extra money given to us for our deposit in these institutions. And there will be a rate of interest. This percentage for the deposit. The interest calculation for these two situations, simple interest and compound interest, are different. And you are familiar with the simple interest. You know how to calculate the simple interest. For example, suppose we deposit rupees 10,000 in a bank for an interest of 6%. And suppose the interest is simple interest. Simple interest. Then, after 1 year, the interest obtained is 6% of this, that is 6 by 100 into 10,000, which is equal to this 6 into 100, which is equal to 600. So, for 1 year, the interest obtained is 600 rupees, and after 1 year, we will have 10,600 rupees in the bank. And for the next year, we will get the same interest 600 rupees under the scheme simple interest. So after 1 more year, the interest will be 600 into 2, that is 1,200. Then after 3 years, the interest will be 600 into 3, that is 1,800. And after 5 years, suppose you deposit the amount over 5 years, then the interest is 600 into 5, which is 3,000. And after 5 years, the total amount in the bank will be this 13,000. 10,000 the deposited amount, which is called the principal amount, and 3,000 interest, total is 13,000 rupees after 5 years. And also we have a specific formula for this calculation, which is for interest the formula is I equal to PNR. I equal to PNR. I interest, P principal amount, that is the amount deposited, N the number of years, R the interest rate. So for this deposit, the interest after 5 years will be, which is equal to this 10,000 into N number of years, 5 into interest rate 6 by 100. So this is equal to 100 into 5 into 6, which is equal to 3,000. So total amount after 5 years is 3,000 plus 10,000, which is equal to 13,000. So this is the calculation of simple interest, and you know this. But the compound interest scheme is different. The interest will be compounded. So there is compounding annually, compounding half yearly, compounding quarterly. So different schemes are there. Compounding annually means the interest will be calculated every year, and that will be added to the principal amount, and that resulting amount will be the principal amount for the next year. if the amount deposited is under compound interest scheme annually compounding, then after 1 year the amount will be 10,000. 10,000 plus 600. That is 10,600. For the second year, the principal amount is this amount, that is interest for interest also given. Second year, the interest for the first year interest will be taken into consideration. So, in the second year, the interest is the 6% of this, that is 6 by 100 into 10,600. So this is equal to 106 into 6, 6 into 6, 36, balance 3. So 636. 36 rupees more in the second year. In the simple interest case, the second year also we will get only the 600 interest. But in this case, we get interest in the second year is 636. So after 2 years, the total interest will be 10,600 plus 636, which is equal to 63. So 11,236. And in the third year, the principal amount will be this. Interest will be calculated for this. So this is the way in which the interest is calculated under the scheme compound interest. Compounding annually. If compounding annually, we get this, but instead of compounding annually, suppose compounding taken in half yearly, semi-annually, then the interest will be calculated every half year and will be added to the principal amount, and then after 6 months, the principal amount is the original principal amount plus interest over the half year, 6 months. So this will be the case. Similar is the case if the compounding is quarterly. And as in the case of this simple interest, we have a formula I equal to PNR. We have a specific formula for the compound interest also. We will discuss that formula and examples in the next video. Okay?